Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analysts' choices for today.
Asia's factory output mostly weakened in September as slowing demand in China and advanced economies added to the pain from persistent cost pressures, surveys showed, clouding the region's economic recovery prospects. 3 billionaires previously included on Forbes 400 have been knocked out of the list, while 4 remaining billionaires have suffered huge losses amid the crypto winter, in which major cryptocurrencies have seen a sharp decline in prices. The US Nvidia multinational technology company will close its office in Russia by the end of October due to the impossibility of ensuring the effective work of employees, Russia's Forbes business outlet reported.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US factory orders will be released at 1400 hours GMT, Spain's unemployment change at 0700 hours GMT, the US Redbook Index at 1255 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 0330 GMT, Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT, Australia's RBA rate statement at 0330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.